It's been a year since the horrific collapse of a tailings dam in Jagersfontein. The disaster claimed one life and displaced many. The muddy slush gushed downhill into a neighboring small town of Charlesville, damaging multiple homes. 1 year later, resident Esther Tlome says she's still traumatized.
Gona mohlanko ka di 11 ha ke robala nna ka tlung ke la ka robala ha mokgotsi wa ka so ntate wena o la robala mona o robetse ka koloing so re tse re ntsha seretse sena hanyane a khola ntlo ena e lokile after kgwedi ntse re ntse koloma ka hanyane bana o tlisisa hai ine le bohloko ntho ya motsatsi leno re rega even le di 11 fela motho ntse re di 11 tsa September.
The reconstruction of some homes is underway. Mantabeling Mutlanyani, who lost her entire home, says she hopes her house also gets rebuilt.
Dampile fela ka gore o tla re ahela matlo a rona tega ke na le tshepo eno ba ke bona ba aha.
Mining company Jagesfontein Developments made an assessment post-disaster and said that not all houses damaged by the mudslide will be rebuilt. Free State's Kopanong Mayor Xolani Tseletsele explains.
The houses that are on construction, out of 171 houses, there is 19 that is being built.
19?
Yes, 19.
19.
Okay. But the affected houses, all of them, they are 171. But not all of them are going to be rebuilt from scratch.
Okay.
There are others with minor renovation and also others with major renovation. But that also in itself has got negative impacts on it, whereas other affected families are not satisfied with the assessment report that was made by NHBRC as well as Zutar. In their own feeling and interrogation is that they feel like it becomes now unfair if I get a new house and Bona they are getting the renovated houses.